So in this video, I want to talk about activity levels. My good friend, Grant Cardone, some like him, some hate him. I'm not really that bothered. His 10x book is definitely worth a read, and the mental process that you have to go through to understand that the amount of activity you think you're doing right now is nowhere near enough. And this was a game changer for me, no doubt about it. I thought I was doing enough. I thought I was going to get the results because I was putting the hours in and I was, educating myself and this and that and the other. And then I read this book and I thought, do you know what? I just need to apply a bit of this. And even if you apply 50% of the 10x rule, you're going to generate huge results. The idea of it in brief, I'd still obviously recommend reading the book. The idea of it is whatever you think you need to do, 10 times it by 10, and that's what you actually need to do. So if you think you need to go on 2 viewings a week, you need to go on 20. If you think you need to open conversations with 5 landlords a week, it needs to be 50. It's all about 10x in your actions. And when you do that and you commit to it, honestly, you'll see your pipeline blow up. It really was a game changer for me. My diary went from scattered sort of, viewings or this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, to like just boom, just lists of activity. And I had to do it. Same with everything you do, not just viewings, not just messaging, marketing. How many posts are you going to do? Or how many hours are you going to spend, or minutes, or, everything you do, how education, what you're going to do. Don't just learn something for 5 minutes a day, do 50 minutes. It's all about that 10x action. And as long as you do the 10x rule on everything that you think you need to be doing, you will get huge results and you'll start to see your pipeline blow up. So I want you to do a few things. One, I'd like you to go and download the book and read it. So you get a good understanding of how you can apply it. But I want you to drop into the group and I want you to list one thing that you are going to 10x this week. And I want you to put it out there and say where you're currently at and what you're going to do to 10x it. And then at the end of the week, we'll pick it up with you and see if you've actually 10x your action, and we'll see what results have come from that. So get after it, get the book read, get your 10x life in order, and you will start to see massive, massive differences in what's happening around you and the success that you start to get.